At the very initial stage, I was thinking that will I be able to do this or not? That for explaining things to students that I have not done earlier at all. No? So at now the all fear is gone. I'm मुझे अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कर सकता हूँ और मतलब जो मैं कर सकता हूँ ये वाली जो फीलिंग है वो सिर्फ बच्चों की वजह से है। मुझे खुद में भी बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हो चुकी है एंड बच्चे भी बहुत ही क्लोजली अटैच हो गए कि लास्ट क्लास में वो ऐसा बोल रहे थे कि 9th में भी आप ही एज अ मेंटर आएंगे, तो वहाँ पे वो एक बहुत ही हार्ट टचिंग थी।
The thing with me was, since it was such a small class, I knew all three of them really well. What were their strong topics and what were their interests. So personally, I knew them a lot. I also enjoyed the process a lot. Initially, I was in December. I remember I was hesitant, and later I got more familiar with them. And the thing with the students was that though they hesitated talking on the group, or the common group, they reached out individually a lot to me, and they asked various doubts.
I know each of them very well, like their hobbies, interests, and even what they want to become when they grow up. First thing I gained is knowing so many kids and all the aspirations that they hold despite of the condition. Like वो मैंने उनके कभी मैंने कुछ बच्चों के उनके टाइम शेड्यूल पूछा है कि मतलब वो कैसे क्या करते हैं, तो one of them said कि it literally takes her like 1 hour to go from her home to the school. So like I can only imagine कि मैं अगर क्लास 9th में हूँ और मेरा 8 hours का क्लास स्कूल चल रहा है और मैं एक्स्ट्रा 2 hours मुझे लग रहा है कम्यूट के लिए.
It was definitely a really good experience, like meeting these kids online, and all of them are so enthusiastic and so like passionate about learning something. And while I was teaching these kids, it wasn't just one way, like only I wasn't teaching them something, but it was the kids who were also teaching me something new. Even during the doubt session, they'll like ask not just about doubts from the textbook, but in general in their life, whatever they observe in their surroundings. Like I became more confident in talking to kids, like in general communication, and I became more responsible because when I used to see these kids, I realized that my words were being heard and they were taking it seriously. So I became more aware and responsible to what to share and what not.
Initially, I was very skeptical about how I could take the class and stuff because Hindi was not a language that I was pretty fluent in. But what actually surprised me a lot is that most of the kids, they actually like supported me a lot. They were like sir, you can actually like speak in Hindi as much as you want, but also you can speak as much as you want in English too, so that they could learn English also. And they were really supportive too. Like they didn't mind that even like they didn't mind that I used some English words and stuff. And even if I used it, they actually like they said, okay, so what does this word mean? Could you explain it? And if I ever used some English word, I actually explained it to them also. So there was actually a learning process which was actually happening both ways.
This is the golden opportunity to contribute yourself as you have to not go to outside the campus for from like giving some other time. You have to just give 1 hour or 2 hours a week, and that hours you are giving so beneficial to them as well. And you are, I think so that जो अभी contribute कर रहे हैं वो जो बच्चों के पास से जो response आ रहा है वो मतलब उसकी वैल्यू नहीं है, वो बहुत प्रीशियस है.
Initially, I just saw this as an NSS thing. Like very honestly, I just saw it as an NSS thing. Like 2 hours, I need to sit over here. But after that, it really like changed me. Like I actually like started like feeling like okay, so today I have a class, I need to prepare. So okay, yeah, the kids are actually pretty fun. I actually like started like enjoying the classes more, and I started waiting for the classes to actually come. Like for all of the classes. Actually, the thing was that like most of the classes I never missed and stuff, and it was because I found the classes very interactive and fun. To be honest, it actually took my mind like off of a whole lot of things. To be honest,
I think they should witness actually like what exactly we are doing. That there are actually interested people, and not everybody is just doing it as some responsibility and passing the course.
I can just imagine कि इतने खास conditions के थ्रू वो go करता है, but फिर भी उनके अंदर इतना एंथुसियाज्म होता है कि एक्स्ट्रा 2 hours निकाले इस पूरे वीक में. सो मेरे लिए आई मीन कंपेयर्ड टू देयर 2 hours, my 2 hours is like nothing.
I would say that it's a wonderful experience that I think everyone should do, so that they'll realize how life is outside a city or our comfort zone, how kids from the rural city lives there, And I think it's good to see that you get a chance to be a part of their life and somehow help them in their life.